If you are a complete beginner and you never made any money online, then you gotta watch this video. Using this method, you can make anywhere between $4.31 at first up to $110 just for setting this up. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this very simple affiliate marketing method for complete beginners. And chances are the tools that you're going to be needing for this, you are already using without even knowing it. So if you're looking to get your first sale in the next 24 hours, all you gotta do is just watch this video from beginning to the end, follow exactly what I'm going to show you, and just by using these free tools that are available to everybody completely for free, you can set up this exact method in just a couple of minutes and start making some money with it too. So just make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for more money making content, and also hit the notification bell so as soon as I release a brand new money making video, I can notify you immediately and you get to watch it right away. Okay guys, so just let's get started. And if you're wondering what these free tools are and where you can find them, hint is at the screen right now. So if you're seeing this website right now and you know how to use it, you have access to over half the tools we are going to be using for this method. So first of all, just go to Google and you want to search for ClickBank.com. Hit search on that, and what you want to do is go to this first website that's called ClickBank.com. And if you're completely new to affiliate marketing, this is like an affiliate marketing website where you can grab yourself an affiliate offer that you can then promote and get paid by doing it. You don't have to create any products yourself. You don't have to set up any checkout process, deal with customer support, nothing like that. All you have to do is just point the right traffic. All you have to do is just point the right people to the right affiliate. All you have to do is just point the right people to the right affiliate offer and make money doing so. So first of all, go to ClickBank and sign up for your free account if you don't have one already. And just a simple trick for all the new people out there, don't click on this start here button. What you want to do is click on this login button right here, scroll all the way down, and you can see you've got this create an account here button. I highly recommend that you use this instead of the start here button to register, because that way you will skip this annoying survey that they put out to all new ClickBank appliers, so you will save a couple of minutes of your time doing so. So pretty much just create your account using this button, then log right into it. And once you're inside your brand new ClickBank account, navigate to the affiliate marketplace right here, and at the top you can see all the niches that you can choose for promoting. Now for this method, I'm going to give you the exact affiliate offer to go for, so you don't have to go scouting through all of these niches and finding the right offer for you. What you want to do is go to this e-business and e-marketing section, and you want to scroll a little bit down until you find this exact offer that's called paid online writing jobs. As you can see right here, the stats for this affiliate offer are $110 in average conversions, which means you will be making on average over $110 just by promoting this one single offer. But at first, you're going to make smaller amount of money, okay? Because this is like an entire sales funnel that every time somebody's going to purchase, at first you will make around $4.31, but because all the upsells and rebuilds in this funnel, you can average around $110 just by promoting this. So pretty much what you want to do to promote this offer is just click on this promote button, and you will need to fill in your ClickBank nickname. Then just make sure to click on create a hop link, and you will get your very own affiliate link down here. This is a unique URL address that every time somebody is going to come to the sales page of this product using this address, which is going to be different for every one of you, so don't just go copying this one on the screen, because that way you will be making me money. But every time somebody is going to make a purchase of this product through your unique URL, you're going to get paid. So what you want to do is copy and save this somewhere where you will be able to access it later. So just simply copy it and use any text editor, notepad, or anything like that to save it. And what I like to do is also go ahead and type the name of the product to it, so I know what this URL is for. So this one's for paid online writing jobs, so I'm just going to write it in there and then just save it. Then pretty much what you want to do is open the sales page of this product, and you can see this offers promoting real full-time or part-time jobs that you can do from home. This is a very good converting offer, because if you're going to promote working from home to anybody who wants to work from home and is not doing so far, they will be very likely to make a purchase. So what you want to do to start promoting this very efficiently using completely free tools that you can use to set up a very powerful affiliate marketing campaign is just pretty much go to Google, and if you do have a Google account already, you're already there. You don't have to be creating any new accounts, using any new passwords, not paying for anything at all. All you have to do in Google is just search for Google Sites, go to the Google Sites page, and what you want to do is create a brand new page completely from scratch by pressing this blank button. This is one of the tools that we are going to be using in this method, and it's going to allow you to create a landing page for your product without having to pay for hosting or knowing how to design websites, because this is very easy drag and drop editor that you can use to create decent websites in in just a couple of minutes. So to do that, what you want to do is pretty much just get rid of this pre-made stuff right away. We are not going to be using it. And once you're left with this blank page, what you want to do is go to the sales page of the product and start taking something from here. So pretty much I'm going to just screenshot this top part right here. Just like this, I'm going to capture the screenshot of this portion of the sales page. Then just go back to my Google landing site and paste it in there. And what you want to do is stretch it to make it look like a real sized banner on this page. So every time somebody's going to come here, they will right away know what this site is about. So just do that. Make sure it's going to look something like this at the top. Then what you want to do is go back to the sales page and grab yourself a screenshot of this video from the sales page. And you don't have to worry about this not being a real video that you can play, because there comes the tricky part that I'm going to show in just a couple of seconds. So just screenshot that and paste it on your Google landing site as well, and make sure to stretch it right below the banner so it's going to look something like this. Then just go back to the sales page one more time, and what you want to do is screenshot this part right here that says apply below to instantly see what high-paying online writing jobs you can start today, and just put it to your Google landing site just as well. Make sure to position it below the video just as you do on a sales page, because what you want to actually achieve here is you want to recreate this sales page as genuinely as possible. So every time somebody is going to be directed from your landing page to the sales page, they will be already familiar with its layout and they will have that much easier time to navigating it. So just do that and also go ahead and stretch it so it's going to be visible something like this. Okay, this should work very well. And there's actually a reason why we are taking screenshots from the sales page and pasting it to the Google landing site instead of typing the text down, and I'm going to show you why in just a couple of seconds. Toolbar on the right, and you want to select a button. You want to create a button on your Google site, and what you want to type in there to name it is something like check out available jobs now. Then in this link section, you want to type in there just random numbers. This really doesn't matter right now because we are going to be changing this link in just a couple of seconds, but you want to create the button first and also make sure to customize it so it's going to be larger and fit better on the landing site. So just stretch it out just like that. Then select this palette button at the right, and you want to choose different style for your button. So I'm pretty much going with something random just like this, so it's going to seem larger right here at the bottom of the site that I'm creating, and pretty much this is the entire site that you want to create. What you can also do is go up here, and in this enter site name you want to type in the exact same thing that you can see right here, paid online writing jobs. Just like that, pretty much this is going to be the header and the title of this page, and this is the entire site done. What you want to do now is just pretty much publish it to save it, and also make sure to select a domain for this that's going to be hosted on Google. So we go with something like work from home now 2023 or something like that. That's going to imply what this site is about. Pretty much I'm just going to add the random letters to it, so I'm not going to be taking available names from you guys, so you can use the catchiest name possible. So I'm just going to publish it under his name, and if I'm going to view it, it's going to look something like this. Very easy site that's going to be very understandable to anybody that's going to come to it, but this site is not connected to affiliate offer yet. What you want to do now is create a link between your affiliate link and this Google landing site, and it's very easy to do, but here comes the special trick that I have discovered, and it's very useful for complete beginners to actually multiply the chances of making money with this method very easily. What you want to do is go back to Google and go to this top section, click on these buttons, and you get to choose from all these different tools that are created by Google completely for free, and you want to scroll all the way down here until you're going to find these forms. Click on that, and it's going to take you to yet another simple tool created by Google completely for free that's compatible with this website, so you don't have to do any complicated technical stuff to connect these two. And what you want to do is create a blank form and then just start customizing it. So for example, name it something like paid online writing jobs or something like that. Then just go to this question and customize that as well into your full name, and make sure that the available answer for this is going to be set to short answer, just as you can see right here. This is pretty much all you need to do, and also what I highly recommend is that you make this field required by pressing this button. Just turn it on, so this is going to be a required field, and then the important part right here below the title, you can see this email section. So somebody's going to see this form, they will have to put in their full name and their email address. That's going to get captured, and if you don't have this email field there already, what you need to do is go to settings, scroll all the way down here to this form defaults, open it up, and we want to select collect email addresses by default and set it to responder input. So that means every time somebody is going to input their email address, it's going to get captured, and that's very important for this method to work. Then while you're here in the settings, what you want to do is go to this presentation, you want to open it up, and down here you can see confirmation message. You want to edit it, and here you want to type something like thank you, we will keep you posted on all future online paid writing jobs. See available jobs right now, click here. Then just go to the notepad or wherever you saved your affiliate link, copy it, and you want to paste it right here just like that. Then just click on save, and pretty much what this is going to do, every time somebody is going to input their email address and their full name, they will get chance to go to the sales page right now and see the available jobs. And once they get to the sales page, it's going to take care of the selling process for you. So pretty much all you have to do is just drive the most amount of traffic through your landing page to the sales page. Pretty much once you finish this confirmation message customization, what you want to do next is go to responses up here, and you want to create a way to capture all the email addresses. To do that, you will be using another free tool created by Google that's going to be doing this process for you on Autopilot. And all you have to do to set this up is just click on click to link sheets. Make sure you're going to create a new spreadsheet and name it something like paid online writing jobs list or something like that. This is going to be just for your own reference, so it really doesn't matter what you're going to name it, and then just click on create. And it's going to look like this very simple Excel sheet that's going to be hosted on your Google account, so you will be able to access it wherever you are, on your phone, on your laptop, or everywhere where you will sign up using your Google account. And that's just one of the perks doing this with this Google tool. Then what you want to do is pretty much just click on send right here to publish this form, and all you want to do is click on this link and you want to copy it. Then go back to the Google pages where you will be editing your Google landing site. Go to this button, you want to click on this pencil icon, and now you want to paste the link to the Google form in this link field on this button. Then just click on update. This is pretty much going to be updated. Click on publish once again. Make sure you're going to confirm the changes by clicking the publish button one more time, and it's going to be working. So once you're going to view this updated published site, what you can see is it's the exact same site but with one exception. Once somebody's going to click on check available jobs, now they will be taken to these Google Forms, and all they need to do is just fill in their email and their full name. So I'm just going to test it out right now for you all to see that it's working. For example, let's go with random@email.com, and my full name for this is going to be Jerry Random or anything, just to see that this is working. I'm just going to click on submit, and it's going to display this thank you page. And as you can see right here, by clicking this link, I will be taken directly to the sales page, just like that. But the important part of this method, in this Google Sheets, the email gets captured. So as you can see right here, everybody that's going to come to this landing page, they're going to click on available jobs. They will input their email address. It's going to get captured on this Google Sheets list. And once you fill this up with as many addresses as you want, pretty much just go to file. You want to go to download and download it as a CSV. You can then start emailing all these addresses every single day, promoting them different offers. For example, you can go back to ClickBank. You can choose other offer that's going to be promoting work from home jobs. And that way you can increase your chance of getting a sale tenfold. Or if you don't want to be doing that manually, you can go to websites, for example, like getresponse.com, and set up a autoresponder that's going to be doing this on Autopilot for you. So this will become a completely hands-off process. All you need to do now is just drive the most amount of traffic to this landing page as possible. And for that, you've got many different options. Pretty much you want to just copy the link to this page and then go to any social media website, for example, like Facebook. This is one of the best sources of traffic for this method. Go to the search bar and type in there work from home jobs, and as you can see, you will get displayed all these groups that are full of people that are looking for some work that they can do from home and make money that way. Another good traffic source for a offer like this is classifiedads.com. As you can see right here, this is like an advertisement board that you can post ads about anything and everything, and one of the biggest boards on here is jobs. Pretty much just go to creative jobs and start posting advertisement for a job, promoting your Google landing site, and that way you can get tons of qualified traffic for your affiliate offer. Because if you're going to check out classified ads using similar web extension, you can see it's getting over 630,000 monthly views, and most of these are coming from top tier countries. So you will have very easy time driving traffic to your landing site and capturing their emails that you can then use to message and promote them different offers later. So if you are a complete beginner looking to get started, you can use this exact same way that I just showed you. And if you want to take this to the next level and you want to learn the exact same system that I'm using to get around $6,000 per month with affiliate marketing without shoving my face anywhere on the internet, without using my social media or this YouTube channel, just go to the first link in the video description and check out my coaching program where I'm going to teach you this exact same method. Now, if you're hungry for some more money making content, try checking out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you in the next video.